Hi, I'm Albert Gelato, and I'd like to welcome you to our episode of How to Paint. So here we got a blank canvas, nice pretty canvas. Right now it's got some yellow, and before we start, we'll have them run the colors along the bottom of the screen. And we're just gonna make a happy little tree. You start up at the top and kind of just make the tree go down. Remember, there's no such thing as a mistake, only happy accidents. So just paint the tree coming down. And here we're using a 2-inch brush. We're just coming down, making it look pretty. Then when you get towards the bottom, beat the devil out of it. Just like that, yeah. Little, just like that. Just like that. So, I hope that you enjoyed today's episode as we paint. And remember, you can paint like this too, so grab your paintbrush, get the paints, and follow along as we paint. Go along and make happy little trees and other little happy little things going on. Isn't that pretty? And we're just starting, so come along on our journey as we do this whole project. And Alright, all the cutting in is done. Of course, as my wife would put it, it's like painting sandpaper. This stuff was not easy to paint. It is rather good. Now, in case you didn't know, yes, it took 2 days to do this. It was incredibly hard. The texture on this is quite interesting. So, and because of such heavy texture, I had to hand paint the entire middle support beam. It's solid concrete beam. So, and I made a mess of this room. Cleanup's gonna be fun. I've gotta roll all the paint on, so. And of course there's that beam. That was a monster and a half. Had to hand paint the whole thing. So, alright. I think I'm gonna take a little break and then start day 6 of painting. All the priming is done, all the cutting in is done. So, yeah, let's get it done. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said in the video, that it did take, it's taken about 6 days so far to paint this whole thing, and I gotta go get some more paint because the wall soaked up more. I overused the paint, so we gotta get 2 more gallons of it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and before I go, I wanted to, this is my temporary office where I edit and have all kinds of manuals of how to do stuff. Just everywhere, so I like to keep a big pile of them. One of my cousins, closest cousin that I'm to, my uncle's daughter, Izzy, this one is for you. I know that you watch the channel, and I appreciate you watching the channel. And me and your mom were talking, and she said that you wanted to come down and visit after you graduate from high school. Congratulations on being a senior in high school. And boy, I haven't seen you since you were knee-high to a grasshopper, but we would like to formally invite you, me and my wife, that when you do graduate high school, you are more than welcome to come visit. And yeah, so I hope you finish out the school year really good, and come visit us down here in Texas. And I love you, and just wanted to let you know that. So we'll end up today's video and call it a day and go take a nap. Yeah.